Hey everyone! So today I am showing you how to make Hawaiian pineapple chicken, the healthy version. So let's get started. You'll need about 3 to 4 thinly sliced chicken breasts, 1 tablespoon of pineapple juice, 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1 garlic clove minced, about half an inch of French ginger grated, 5 to 6 slices of fresh pineapple, and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. In a large bowl, you're going to combine the pineapple juice, coconut aminos, maple syrup, freshly grated ginger, and the garlic, and you're going to mix the marinade well. Don't forget to click subscribe for more videos just like this, and click the thumbs up, of course, because you love this video. Cover the bowl and allow it to marinate for at least an hour in the fridge. In a large skillet on medium heat, add the extra virgin olive oil and allow it to heat up for about a minute. Add the chicken with the marinade and cook the chicken for about 10 minutes on each side or until the chicken is thoroughly cooked, and make sure you brown the chicken on both sides. Add the pineapple right before you take out the cooked chicken and brown it for about a minute.